Hello and welcome to another UltraServers video. In this video we will be showing you how to pre-generate your chunks, which is very useful if you expect an influx of players or having performance issues. What exactly does pre-generating your chunks actually mean? Well, Minecraft is built in a procedural way, meaning it generates the world as you explore it. Each bit it generates is called a chunk. This is called on-the-fly generation and is usually fine. But if you've got lots of players all exploring new areas at once, or if you're running a modded Minecraft server with complex world generation, you might start to notice some lag or some slowdowns in world generation, which is where pre-generating your chunks comes in handy. Pre-generating chunks means that instead of the game generating new parts of the world as you explore, all the world generation is done ahead of time. Doing this can greatly improve server performance, reduce lag, and overall enhance the gaming experience for everyone involved by allowing them to explore chunks faster using the Elytra without having any slowdowns, as you've been seeing in the background of the video right now. The mod and or plugin we use to do this is called Chunky. How do we do this? First, you always need to log into your panel and select the server you want to do this on. I'm gonna be using this chunk preloading server here. Make sure the server is turned off and then head over to the plugins page. Within the plugins page, search for Chunky and wait for the page to load. After it is loaded, you'll be able to see here Chunky pops up, and make sure that it says similar text as you can see down below depending on the update. Hit install and then wait for the pop-up in the bottom right as you can see right here. After the server has started up, we can use the command Chunky. Here we can see a bunch of commands. Let's start with center. So if you write Chunky center and then 00, the Chunky plugin will start pre-generating chunks from 00 and around in a circle or a square which you defined. We're gonna set it to 00, which it also defaults to. And then we can set a radius. Chunky radius would allow us to select a size that we want the pre-generation area to be. So if you select 3000, it's going to be 3000 blocks in each cardinal direction: north, east, south, and west. So we set that radius, and then to start it, you can just write Chunky start, and it will start pre-generating chunks. In case you want to pause the chunk generation, you can write Chunky pause. This won't cancel it, it will just pause it temporarily, for example when some players are experiencing lag or some other reason. And if you want to start it again, you just write Chunky continue. If you want to learn more about Chunky and its commands, you can go over to their official GitHub page, we will link in the description below. And here you can read up on anything you would like to do, for example some specific startup commands that might make it run faster, and other things. There you have it, now you know how to pre-generate your chunks on your Minecraft server, so that your players can fly and run around without having any performance issues.